Okay, so if you're watching this video, this is the bonus point opportunity. You got to get them both in order to get your bonus point. Okay, area of a circle is pi radius squared. If it asks you for circumference, you can probably do that one. I know you can do that one. Okay, but the area we haven't talked about yet. So if the area is 256 pi radius squared, oops, my 256 needs to go on this side. That's the area, 256 times pi. Now, if they're all in pi, they're not near as hard. Equals pi, pretend that 2 is not there above me, radius squared. Anyway, so if there's pi on each side, that's going to cancel out, okay? Those cancel. So basically, you got to figure out what number squared is 256. And how you get r by itself is you square root each side, because the square root of r squared is just r. So basically what you need to do is square root 256, and that gives you an answer of 16. Now, be very careful. What is the length of the diameter? Label required. The radius is 16. The diameter is not 16. The diameter then would be 32, and it is in inches. It is not squared, because all you're doing now is you're telling me the length of the diameter all the way across the circle. Radius, 16. Diameter, 32 inches, not squared. Okay? Let's see here. Circle has a circumference of 5 millimeters. So that means all the way around the circle is 5 millimeters. Circumference is 2 pi r, or pi times the diameter. Doesn't make any difference. So 5 is all the way around. What is the circle's diameter? I should have went with the other formula. Let's do that over here. Circumference, which is 5, equals pi times the diameter. Okay, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to find the diameter, which is why I chose this formula on the right instead of this one on the left. So divide by pi. Divide both sides by 3.14. That will cancel the pi. 5 divided by 3.14, that is your answer. If it asks for the radius, you can use this formula. You just have to multiply 2 and pi together. First, 5 divided by 3.14 gives you 1.5923. 15923. And then, before I forget, millimeters, you can abbreviate that one. If you spell it out, you have to spell it right or it counts it wrong as well. Okay, so rounded to the nearest tenth, that is the 5. So what's the 9 do to the 5? Bumps it up. So it's 1.6. Okay, so there's a short video explaining how to do those. This one we've done before. The other one that it gave us, which was the area, you got to square root it. So see ya. Good luck.